couple of layups, and you look what they've done at the line, 14 out of 27.
Well, they got guys deep, wide open, Louis Home. Good hands. They lost to the free throw shooter. Parker got back to knock it away.
The boys are playing. They're playing. They're good boys playing. How cute that is. Look how cute they are. Look how they play so well. They really like each other. Jackson won't play with anybody else. Just Spencer. He loves Spencer. Spencer's just a doll baby. Look how cute he is.
And I'll be interested to see if Odom is on the floor here in this possession. I would think the way he has shot free throws, if he is on the floor, he will be a long way away from the basket.
Amazing stat. He is 5 of 9 from the three-point line and 3 of 11 from the free throw line. Kevin Stallings is telling his guys, hey, we'll get it in. You're confident, turn face. If they slap you, just hold on to it. Always look down the floor because I would expect 5 Arkansas jerseys to be in this backcourt trying to get a steal.
And look, a quick foul. You're going to have 6 seconds or close to it.
Yeah.
And you're going to be able to get a good shot.
Yes.
If Vanderbilt can't convert these free throws.
It's Spencer's little feet sticking out.
It's a perplexing night for Arkansas fans because you wonder, you just wonder how this is played out. I mean, it's just, it's mind-boggling, and I'm sure Mike Anderson's saying the same thing.
Peter Johnson, 2 of 3 from the line. Fuller, 6 of 8 from the line. Wright, 2 of 2 from the line. Those are the guys that will be looking to the inbound and catch. Parker made 1 of 2. He'll take the ball. We'll put it in play.
Hey, Spence! Ah! He's right here. He's kissing me. Oh, there's Spencer. Hey, Spencer. Hey, he's tired. Here, Jackson. Hi, Spence.